You need to try this crunchy and moist red velvet cake. Whisk eggs, oil, sugar, buttermilk, vanilla, and red food coloring until smooth. Sift the flour, cocoa, baking powder, and baking soda. Then fold it into the wet mix. Pour into a tin and bake at 170 degrees until your toothpick comes out clean. While it's warm, soak the cake with chocolate milk syrup so it becomes extra soft. For the frosting, beat butter and cream cheese, add powdered sugar, and whip until fluffy. Layer everything together and enjoy the creamiest red velvet cake. Subscribe for more delicious food from Zeep Food.